Let's come and make a really pretty pastel kind of foam slime with me. The first thing I'm adding is a little bit of shaving cream, just to help it actually come together. And I'm going to keep it white, so I'm just going to mix this and activate this. There's hair in it somewhere. Ew, 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 ew. Oh, it's not hair. It's the glue lid piece. And then just my normal borax, which I actually made a new one of today, so I'm hoping that it's good. This is really exhausting to mix. Okay, now the slime's made, I'm going to add a little bit of lotion just to make it nice and soft so it like can stick to the, whatever they're called, floam beads. Sorry. Okay, these are what the floam beads look like. They kind of give me like Easter-y vibes, even though I got them ages ago. So I'm just going to try and pour all of them in, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, literally all stuck to the bag. Oh, okay. I honestly think that's as many as we're getting out. They're all stuck to the bag and they're going everywhere, and I've just hoovered my floor, so. Overall, this is what the slime looks like though. I think it looks really, really nice. It's actually really thick and none of them are falling out, so great success, makes great sounds, and like I said, it kind of gives me an Easter vibe, so I'm probably going to call this an Easter slime. Easter foam slime.